Hello, welcome to the video. In today's video we're going to be doing bonnet struts on the 86. I'll show you them working now. So as you can see, they work quite well and they look pretty good. It stands up nicely by itself. It's a really easy mod to do. It takes about 2-3 minutes, so it doesn't take long at all to do. And it only costs about a tenner, so it's really cheap as well. I'll link in the description to the product on Amazon, so you guys can pick it up, and also I'll link Jake as well, he's helping us out. The good thing about these is for a tenner you don't only get bonnet struts, but you can also put the piece of metal that you use a bit higher up and you can get a bonnet lift out of your kit as well, which I haven't done because I like my car to look smooth, it's just how I like it. But if you were into getting a bonnet lift, you can get a bonnet lift and also bonnet struts in the same buy for just a tenner. It's a really good price, to be honest. Yeah, anyway, let's get straight to showing you how to do it. It's really simple, so yeah. Okay, so you're going to want to start off by unscrewing this top screw. You're going to want to be really careful while doing this, because if you unscrew them both at the same time, there's nothing holding this side of the bonnet up and it will just slide down and it could crack your window, so just do one at a time. Once you've got the top one unscrewed, you want to slide that metal bar that we've got over that top screw and then screw it back on and tighten it up. Not all the way, but just enough so you can move it, but as well it holds the bonnet up. Then you can get on to removing the bottom screw. Just slide it over and tighten it up. I'm not going to do them up to full tightness yet because we're just going to check that it works. So you're going to want to put your strut in on this back screw right here. So I've screwed it all the way as tight as it goes there, and then just off a little bit, and then screwed it onto that bracket. I haven't done anything to max tightness yet, but we're just going to see if it works. So lining it up there, you can see that it goes down perfectly. And it's really as easy as that, so now all left to do is tighten them all up, make sure they're all nice and tight so they're not going to fall off while driving. And that's pretty much the install. You can see there it works really well, pops up as soon as you unrelease that hatch and you just give it a little tap with your hand, it just goes up nicely all the way to the top. Right, so that's pretty much going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These were super easy to install and they should last quite a while as well. I love how neat they fit in when it shuts down. There's other ones online that you can buy that are about 80 quid, 90 quid, and they're the same. They obviously have like a carbon fibre thing and they fit on a little bit more custom. I think the rail goes like down here. But to be honest, for a tenner, these basically do the same thing. I mean, they're probably not as good. I mean, you pay for what you get usually, but to be honest, you can't go wrong. For £10, what you get is really good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Like I said, I'll link it in the description so you guys can have a purchase yourself if you feel like it. It's always nice getting a personal review and a personal look of what they look like as well. So it just goes up by itself, you don't even have to touch alt. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's going to be pretty much it. Thanks for the review, if you've made it this far. You know what, if you've made it this far, comment, what should they comment, Jake? Comment POG. POG, he's saying. If you can be arsed, comment POG. If you've made it this far, just to show that you've watched the whole way through. I haven't done that before, so that'd be interesting to see if you guys actually do watch it the whole way through.
Do it.
Yeah, leave a like, because a small channel like me, I really appreciate every like I get, and see you guys later. Bye.
Is it so hard to let you go?